Simply Easy Cooking fans. Today we're making lasagna soup. Let's get cooking. In a bowl, mix together 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, a half cup of parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, a half of teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. Give it a good stir until everything is nicely combined. And a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Once it's mixed well, set the mixture aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot. Add 2 pounds of hamburger, diced onions, 6 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of pepper, a half of teaspoon of salt. Break up the meat as it cooks, and once it's no longer pink, drain off the excess grease. Once the meat is drained, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste until fully combined. Next, add a teaspoon Italian seasoning, a half of teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of parsley, a half of teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of pepper, and a half of teaspoon of salt. Now add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and mix until well combined. Then, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream until well combined. Add 6½ cups of chicken broth and stir until everything is well mixed. Cover the pot and bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, uncover the pot and stir in 1 pound of broken lasagna noodles. Next, mix in ½ cup of fresh basil. Next, cover the soup and let it simmer until the noodles are cooked, stirring occasionally. Once it's done cooking, give it a good stir. Now, add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and mix it until everything's well combined. Thanks for watching, Simply Easy Cooking fans. I hope you love this lasagna soup as much as I do. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.